How to turn off YouTube's automatic dubbing. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix YouTube's automatic dubbing. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up YouTube application on your device. Once you open it up, you just go ahead and find a video where your sound is auto dubbed. So let me just go ahead and find a video here. So as you can see here, I've found a video over here. So if I just go ahead and play this, as you can see, the video is on Chinese. Now, if you want to change the audio track back to its original tone, you want to first go ahead and find the gear icon at the top of the screen. Once you tap on it, you want to go ahead and tap on audio track. And as you can see, currently Chinese is selected. Tap on that. You basically have to go ahead and select English original from here. And then if you play, the video will automatically be changed back to its original voice. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.